1 second of charging, 2 kilometers of range added. That's not a lab prototype. It's a number already running in production cars on Chinese roads today. Most people who follow electric cars still assume Tesla owns the fastest charging technology on Earth. That assumption is now roughly a year and a half out of date. BYD's charging platform peaks at 1,000 kilowatts of power, twice the 500 kilowatts Tesla's fastest chargers are built for. If you're planning to buy an EV or you already own one, this is the number that actually decides whether range anxiety disappears in your lifetime. And right now, it isn't disappearing first in America or Germany or Japan. It's disappearing first in China, and it's already heading to Europe. The claim? A car that charges nearly as fast as you can pump gas. BYD's Super E platform runs on a 1,000-volt architecture, delivering charging rates up to 1,000 kilowatts and adding roughly 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. That figure nearly doubles the previous record holder, the Li Auto Mega, which topped out at 520 kilometers per hour of charging speed. This isn't a concept car teased at an auto show. It's the kind of number that changes the sentence, "I can't take an EV on a road trip." The battery had to be rebuilt from the inside out. To handle that kind of current, BYD built ultra-fast ion channels from the battery's positive to negative electrode, cutting internal resistance by half and reaching a charging current of 1,000 amps at a 10 Celsius charging rate, both described as world records for a production battery. A year later, BYD didn't stop there. In March 2026, the company unveiled Blade Battery 2.0, pushing peak charging power to 1.5 megawatts and current to 1,500 amps, enough to go from 10% to 70% charge in 5 minutes, and 10% to 97% in 9. Most manufacturers spend years defending one battery record. BYD broke its own record within 12 months. Even the motor had to become the fastest in the industry. BYD paired the platform with a new generation of electric motor, spinning at 30,511 RPM, the highest of any mass-produced electric motor, delivering 778 horsepower and a power density of 22 horsepower per kilogram. To handle the voltage without melting, BYD had to develop its own silicon carbide power chips rated to 1,500 volts, the highest voltage rating in the industry for an automotive-grade chip. None of this exists in isolation. It's a chain. Faster charging demanded a stronger battery, which demanded a faster motor, which demanded chips nobody else had built yet. Compared side by side, the rest of the industry isn't close. At the time of BYD's announcement, XPeng's fastest charging reached 800 kilowatts, NIO reached 640, Li Auto reached 520, and Tesla's own promised V4 Superchargers topped out at 500. Tesla has since begun rolling out its own megachargers, though reporting describes their scale and scope as far more limited than BYD's rollout. This isn't one company slightly ahead of its rivals. It's a company roughly doubling the best number every other serious competitor had on the table. And it isn't just a spec sheet, it's already being built at scale. By April 2026, BYD had installed its 5,000th flash charging station, spanning 297 cities across China. The company's own chairman described installing one as being as simple as installing an air conditioner, and BYD is targeting 20,000 charging stations across China by the end of 2026, including thousands built jointly with existing charging network operators. Announcements are cheap in the EV industry. A functioning charger in 297 different cities is not. This solves the one problem that's actually stopped people from buying an EV. Vehicles now benefiting from this technology include the Yangwang U7, rated at just over 1,000 kilometers of range, and the Denza Z9 GT, rated at just over 1,036 kilometers, both under China's CLTC testing cycle. Long range solves one kind of anxiety, fast charging solves the other. The fear of sitting at a charger for 45 minutes while a gas car down the road fills up in 5. Solve both at once, and the last real excuse not to buy an EV starts to disappear. It's not staying in China, and Europe is the next stop. BYD has confirmed plans to deploy more than 3,000 of these ultra-fast charging stations across Europe by the end of 2026, at power levels far beyond the 350 to 400 kilowatts that today's fastest European chargers deliver. The first European car confirmed to support this technology is the Denza Z9 GT, A similar rollout is already planned for South Africa, targeting 200 to 300 stations by the end of the year. The infrastructure fight for EV charging that Europe assumed it would fight against Tesla is quietly becoming a fight against BYD instead. None of this is guaranteed to run smoothly, and that's worth saying plainly. Delivering a full megawatt of power consistently to a charging site demands serious grid capacity and carefully engineered infrastructure, something analysts note is a genuine step up in complexity, not just a bigger cable. And this charging breakthrough doesn't exist in a vacuum. The same company supplying much of this battery technology globally, CATL, already builds batteries for Tesla, BMW, and Volkswagen directly. A 5-minute charge is an impressive number on its own. It becomes a much bigger story once you realize how much of the electric car industry, batteries included, now runs through Chinese engineering before it ever reaches a Western driveway.